Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 305, a studio on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is the large hall closet immediately to your left. Continuing on into the apartment, we next come to the kitchen, a double-sided kitchen. The first side has your electric oven and range. There is an exhaust fan in the ceiling, plenty of cupboards and drawers, a microwave, a refrigerator. On the other side of the kitchen, you have your sink, some additional counter and storage space, and your dishwasher, as well as a pass-through to the living area. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. And on into the living area. You'll find 5 pieces of furniture, a bookcase, a desk and desk chair, a full-size bed, and a dresser, as well as a second closet right next to the kitchen. Commons West 305 is our largest studio. You can see plenty of floor space, almost as much as some 1-bedroom apartments. Every studio is air-conditioned and has a heating element. This apartment has 3 large windows, one of them a picture window, which face west, overlooking Cayuga Street. Another unique feature of this apartment is the bathroom. This is split into 2 sections. In the entry area, you have your sink and your vanity and mirror. And facing those is a 3rd large closet. The bathroom then continues on through an open doorway. And in this second part, you have your toilet, an additional towel rack, and your shower tub combo. As with all of our bathrooms, there is an exhaust fan in the ceiling to help keep the bathroom from getting too humid. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes your heat, your water, and your trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 305. Call us today for availability.